Hello, my name is Bis and today is going to be a bit different. I am going to do a mic check. It's very windy outside with speeds up to 100 kilometers an hour and something broke, so I'm going to reinforce it. I'm first going to record a little bit with my phone, then I'm going to attach the mic and see if it cancels the windy noises from outside. So please enjoy. Sometimes you can hear trains in the background. That's because I live near to a railroad. And I've noticed that in some videos that is also hearable in the background. So I hope my mic cancels that as well. But back to the matter. This is a license plate that indicates that a parking space outside our garage is ours. And it broke. So I'm going to put a few reinforced triplex plates behind it to reinforce it. So I'm first going to, my scrap pieces are just a little bit under the width of the license plate, so I'm going to do maybe a little bit shady techniques, but I'm sure it will end up very strong and can withstand the wind. So let's get started. I'm not going to go too much into detail, but I'm just going to trace with a very sharp point where I need to cut. So normally I don't talk while cutting, but I'll just do it and then change to my mic and see if you can still hear me while I do it. I'm gonna put subtitles on what I just said in hope that you can maybe hear me, but I'm gonna change to my mic real quick. So now I beautifully attached my mic without the dust cover this time, and later on I will add it. So I'm going to still talk while cutting and see what it says. So as I was saying, the lines are very visible due to the black being removed by the pin. It's very hard to concentrate on another language while cutting, but I think it works. So that's that. Let me put the dust cover on and compare. Just like that. So take 3. Wait, let me first move the plate. All right, let's see. So now back again. Talking while sitting. I don't think this will be terrible. Anyway. would have been way easier with a hand, with a jigsaw. I mean, this is a handsaw. This works as well. So just a little bit more force in my arms. And that's that. All right, let's see if I get it big enough. That fits perfectly. So now the second piece. The screws are in, and now, well, I was first thinking of putting another plate over this, but I'm going to quickly do it with tape, duct tape, for instance. That's going to be way faster, and it's one side is against a bush, so no one is going to see that the back side is very ugly. So let me grab my tape. Got some scotch and let's attach it. I'm going to quickly tell a fun fact about this tape. I bought this roll a few years ago when I was still in high school, and I celebrated my last 100 days. I bought this tape to tape things in school. I also bought other things, but this was the most fun. I taped backpacks from other students to each other into poles and everything. So yeah, that was very fun. I'm gonna do one last test with this 20-volt impact screwdriver and see how it does according to noise. I didn't talk while using it, but I'll just do it like this. Maybe it makes a lot of noise. I think it does. So folks, that's how you quickly and very adequately fix a license plate. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.